Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got another tool here we're going to do a review on. This is a Parkside Cordless Staple Nail Gun. Now, I don't know what to expect on this. I'm not expecting a whole lot. Hopefully, I won't have to take the tool back and get a refund. But let's go over this thing together. I want to unbox it for the first time. Look at it for the first time on the camera. Let me readjust the camera and I'll be right back with you. Here's the item that we're going to be reviewing today. The Cordless Staple Nail Gun made by Parkside. Part number PAT4C4. I'll turn this around so I can read it correctly. It has 1,005/16 inch 8mm staples, 1,000 1/4 inch 6mm staples, and 500 3/8 by 3/64 brad nails. Lithium-ion battery, 3-year warranty. Here's the general picture of the box. Here's the back of the box. I'm not going to read all the fine print here. Pictures on the side of the box. Let's see, let's start with this one. Work our way. There we go, that's better. Let's work our way around here. There we go. You can pause the camera if you want to look at these a little closer. Let's go ahead and get this opened up, take a look at it. I've already looked at it once and I put it back in the box. We have the charger. This is a two-part where it's like a USB charger, like cell phones. A lot of other tools out today. Now this charger is Type C on the end. You know, the micro charger is flat on one end or one side, but the Type C, I don't know if that's coming in a little bit better, I'm not sure, but the Type C is just an oval, a complete oval. So you might need to start investing in these because a lot of the phones are turning into the Type C type charger. We have two boxes right here. This one contains Type 53 JT21 staples and Type 47 18 gauge brad nails. This box contains 1,000 pieces, Type 53 JT21 staples. Okay, we have the owner's manual at the bottom of the box here. Let's put these back in here and put them aside. On and off switch right here. Right there. Excuse me. At the bottom of the gun, make sure this is in the off position. Bottom of the gun, it has a safety trigger where this has to be pushed in for the trigger to be pulled. Here's the load compartment right here. Turn it over on the back. Here's the charging port. Nice heavy-duty black plastic with a rubberized type grip on it. Very small and compact. Pretty nice, I like it. I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this tool, but if it does stuff like putting molding around windows, light-duty nailing for smaller projects, it'll be worth the 20 bucks I paid for it. So let me get this charged up. I'll be right back with you. Okay, we're back from the charging. The instructions say when it's charging, when this light is green, it is fully charged. So I will show you that. Let me plug this charger back in. And the charging port on this tool is right back here on the back of the handle. So you'll see the light is green right now, right here. Got a green light. If it was not fully charged, it'd be red. So let's check the performance of this thing. I do have glasses on for safety. So I have 2 blocks here. I have a block of pine, just regular 2x4 pine. I believe this might be a yellow pine, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's take out one of these shorter 1/4 inch staples, and we're going to staple it into the wood, the pine first, and then I'm going to see how it does in this piece of oak right here. Not really expecting much for this oak, everybody knows this. About as hard as you want to be. So, squeeze and pull that out. Put the staples in. See that? Like this. The flat part of the staples goes down. The points go sticking up. Close that. Start with the pine right here. See if we can get a good picture of that. Let's see. How about right there? There we go. Almost all the way sunk into the wood. Almost. There we go. Let's try another one this way. Now that's not too bad at all, really. Not bad at all for what it is. Let's see if we can go this way with it. Get a... Okay, let's try that. Right there. Try it on the side so you won't get this, which staple it is. Get it mixed up. Okay, there we go. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm going to take this out. There we go. Take these shorter staples, put them back in the box here. Well, I'm going to set them aside. I'll come back to it and put it in the box. Let's try these longer staples. Pop this box open. There we go. Okay, go from here. Locked and loaded. So these are the ones I did earlier, so I'm going to go on this side this time. There we go. Not too bad, not too bad at all. Try one on the end. Let's try it going on the end grain also. Why not? Not too bad, really. Not too bad. Okay. I'm going to take this long one and put it in the piece of oak right here. Huh. That did not go all the way in. There we go. You can see right here. Did not go all the way in. There we go. If you can see that. Let's try another one. That's about the same. We went a little bit further in, but not a whole lot. But like I said, with this being oak, oak is pretty tough. Most of you know that. There we go, into the end grain. Let's go on the side right here, see what's up with that. Huh. Not bad at all, really. I'm going to take this out. I don't think there's a need to try the shorter staples in here. If the longer staples will go in, the shorter ones should not have any issues, right? So, let's get these nails. They're in this other box here. There we go. Here's the nails that came with it. Whoops, there we go. Okay, I'm going to load this. The head of the nail goes down. Point goes up. There is a magnet, but it's not really holding it. So, well, let me put that back into focus here. There we go. They did fall again. So, put the nails in. Close it. First we're going to try the pine. Okay, let's go right here in the green area. Here we go, right here. The first one did not sink all the way, but we got 4 more here. Let's do it down here and see how it goes where there's no paint. There we go, get that in the picture. Now I am pushing down on the gun also. As far as I can, a little bit of pressure. Good. 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 Now all 3 of those nails, I can barely feel the head on these nails. This one I can more than the other 2. So I think that's a plus. That's good. Let's try it in this oak right here. You can see these 2 staples. Let's go right here next to these staples and see what's up. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. These 3 nail heads are sticking out. You would not want to run your hand across that as you're doing a project. But again, this is oak. And we all know what oak is like, right? Let's go on the side grain right here. Let's see here. Yep, these are about the same. They're sticking out about the same amount. Let's go on the end grain. There we go. That's a little bit more sunk in than the other ones, but so my overall conclusion on this thing, for the size of it, the cost of it, it is a I'm not sure. Let me get the box again. I was trying to check the words not coming to me right now, but the volts or the ohms or whatever the power is, amps. I'm not sure what word I'm looking for. I can't remember. It's on the tip of my tongue, but can't get it out right now. It's a good size, good small size. Woman will have no trouble using this. A grown teenager wouldn't have any trouble using this. Let me turn it on the off position. I paid $19.99 for this tool. So for what it is, I believe I'm going to keep it. You never know when you're going to need a small light duty nail gun. Would only need 1 or 2 shots out of it. This might be the ideal thing. If I use it 4 or 5 times, it'll probably pay for itself with no problems. The only issue is if I can find these size staples at the regular big box stores. That's remained to be seen. $19.99 at Lidl, L-I-D-L. If you have a store in your area, check it out. You might want to get one of these for yourself, throw in the back of your toolbox. You might need it one day. My name's Carl. I do appreciate being here.